Hip replacement surgery is a life-changing procedure designed to relieve severe hip pain, improve mobility, and restore an active lifestyle. In this video, we bring you the top 10 hip replacement surgeons in India trusted by patients from across the globe. Dr. Vijay C. Bose. He is a leading orthopedic surgeon with 40 plus years of experience. He practices at SIMS Hospitals, Chennai. Specialty: hip replacement, pelvic and acetabular surgery, and minimally invasive joint replacement. He has performed 12,000 plus surgeries. Dr. I.P.S. Oberoi. He is a pioneer in arthroscopic and joint replacement surgeries with 30 years of experience. Currently practicing at Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon. Specialty: hip replacement, knee replacement, arthroscopy, and sports injury management. He has successfully performed 7,000 plus joint replacements. Dr. Subhash Jangid. He has 25 plus years of experience and is known for advanced joint replacement techniques. He practices at Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurgaon. Specialty: hip replacement, knee replacement, and computer navigation assisted orthopedic surgery. He has performed 20,000 plus joint surgeries. Dr. Kaushal Malhan. He has 35 plus years of experience in joint replacement. He is associated with Fortis Hospital, Mumbai. Specialty: hip resurfacing, minimally invasive hip replacement, and complex revision surgeries. He has performed 15,000 plus surgeries. Dr. Ashok Rajgopal, with over 40 years of experience, known for advanced robotic hip and knee replacement surgery. He practices at Medanta, the Medicity, Gurugram. Specialties: minimally invasive joint replacement and computer-assisted orthopedic surgery. He has performed over 39,000 total knee and hip replacement surgeries. Dr. Sunil Chauhan, one of India's top orthopedic surgeons with 35 years of experience. He practices at Nanavati Marks Hospital, Mumbai. Specialty: complex hip replacement, trauma surgery, and revision joint replacement. He has performed 4,000 surgeries. Dr. Pradeep Bhosale, a renowned joint replacement surgeon, he has 40 plus years of experience. He practices at Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mumbai. Specialty: complex hip and knee replacement. He has performed 15,000 plus surgeries. Dr. S.K.S. Maria, with over 35 years of experience. He is a leading orthopedic expert. He is associated with Max Super Specialty Hospital, Delhi. Specialty: hip and knee replacement. He has performed 20,000 plus surgeries. Dr. Vikram Shah, pioneer in minimally invasive joint replacement surgery with over 30 years of experience. He is the founder of Shelby Hospitals, Ahmedabad. Specialty: total hip replacement, knee replacement, and fast-track orthopedic rehabilitation. He has performed 10,000 plus surgeries. Dr. Rakesh Mahajan, highly experienced orthopedic and joint replacement surgeon specializing in hip and knee surgery. Practices at BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital, New Delhi. Specialty: hip replacement, trauma surgery, and minimally invasive orthopedic treatment. He has successfully performed 5,000 surgeries for affordable and advanced orthopedic treatment in India. Contact tour to India 4 Health today and take the first step toward pain-free movement and a better quality of life.